Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, beloved audience, honorable judges, and dear friends. First of all, let's give thanks to God because of His blessing that we can be here. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever imagined waking up in the morning and the first thing you touch is not a glass of water, but a rectangular piece of glass filled with notification? My name is Maria Martawado from Undana University, and today we are going to discuss an important topic. Does social media empower our life or does it control them? We often spend our time scrolling to TikTok, checking Instagram stories, or making reels until we lose track of time. But have we ever paused for a moment and asked ourselves, are we using social media or is social media using us? Let us begin by acknowledging positive benefits. The first, social media amplifies our voices. Local issues from a small village can gain national attention. Even simple artworks have the chance to reach an international audience. The second, social media create business opportunities. From online selling, content creation, to freelance service, everything can be done through social media. However, on the opposite side, it's also an incredibly sophisticated machine of control. The first, it controls our attention. Every notification, infeed scroll and short video is designed by the best engineers to keep us addicted, draining precious productive time. The second, it controls our self-worth. We begin to measure our value by likes and comments. Social anxiety and FOMO, or fear of missing out, become a new epidemic born from unhealthy comparison with curated lives on screen. At this point, social media stops being a tool. It becomes a master that dictates our mood, opinion, and time. So, which one wins? Empowerment or control? The answer lies in our awareness and how we design our usage. The tool itself is neutral. We are the ones who decide its final purpose. Therefore, back to the initial question, does social media empower or control us? My answer is clear. It will control us if we passively give it the power. But it will empower us if we consciously take that power back. So, let us be effective users, not passive consumers. Let us design our feeds by following educational content, limiting screen time, and remembering that real life exists beyond notification. Let us use social media to voice what truly matters, to build things that are meaningful, and to ensure that the one in control behind the screen is still us, humans who think and feel. Let's be smart users, not use people. That's all from me. Thank you.